Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, protein and fiber rich breakfast smoothie recipe. The smoothie is dairy free and sugar free. The high fiber and protein will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a cast iron pan, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of ragi flakes, also known as ragi poha, and I'm lightly roasting the ragi flakes. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a whole grain and it is completely gluten free. It is rich in fiber, and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it helps in weight loss and weight management. Ragi is packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acids, and vitamin D. In fact, ragi is one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D. Ragi has a good amount of iron, and thus it's ideal for those with iron deficiency anemia. Once lightly roasted and once you notice steam coming out, then transfer this to another plate and allow this to cool down completely. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of water. For natural healthy fats, I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. When you're using ragi, it's highly important that you use a good source of healthy fats like nuts, so that the natural source of vitamin D in ragi is easily absorbed. Vitamin D needs a good source of healthy fat for better absorption. Add in the roasted ragi flakes. I'm keeping aside 1 teaspoon of the ragi flakes to add it on top of the smoothie. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence it's easily blendable. However, if your date is not soft like mine, you may need to soak it in little water and add. I'm using 1 medium-sized apple. I'm going to roughly chop the apple. Add in the roughly chopped apple. For added healthy fats, fiber, protein and omega-3s, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Flax is also a good source of fiber, protein, omega-3 healthy fats. For flavor, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon of freshly ground cinnamon powder, or you can use 1 cinnamon stick instead. Cinnamon not only gives a nice amazing flavor but also helps to boost your metabolism and give a subtle sweetness to the smoothie. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended thick and creamy smoothie into a serving glass. Sprinkle in the roasted ragi flakes. The roasted ragi flakes will give a subtle crunch to the smoothie. And my super healthy ragi apple smoothie is ready to serve. This smoothie is so filling that it will keep you feel fuller till your next meal. So guys, do try this ragi smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.